Hey guys, it's Derek. I just got my hands on the new Infinix Zero 5G. I could say so far in terms of speed, this device here is freaking fast compared to what they have been releasing for the past years. On this device, they added a new chip, which is the Helio Dimensity 900 from MediaTek. This is the first time we are seeing a Dimensity chipset on any of Infinix devices. It is priced at about $332, while here in Nigeria it translates to 169,500 naira. The unibody design blends in with the camera bomb and flushes around the whole body to give it this premium look and feel. It feels more durable than glass or polycarbonate material, or what Samsung calls glasstic. It comes in a variety of colors, which are the cosmic black, horizon blue with a glossy back finish, and the skylight orange, which I have here, which is covered with a leather finish that rejects fingerprints or dirt, but it's easy to clean. Throughout the use case I had this device, it performed excellently well thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate display and 5G support on this device. Even though we don't have any 5G network band support yet here in Nigeria, hopefully we might be seeing something like 5G soon, maybe before the end of this year, from any of the network providers here in Nigeria. The question is, would you buy this device because of the 5G support, or is it because of the 120Hz refresh rate or the new chipset, which is the Dimensity 900, or what? But here in this video, I tried my possible best to break the whole thing down for you to be able to make that purchase decision. Before we continue, I would love if you subscribe to the channel by clicking that red subscription button below, and without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into it. The performance on the Zero 5G was very impressive. I didn't get any lags or staggering during the few times I had this device. The Helio Dimensity 900 is designed on a 6nm processor. Is not something we have been seeing on any Infinix devices in the past years. Thank God they heard us and answered. Over the years, it has been the G series, B series, A series, and some others. The G series was used on the last year's Infinix Zero X and Zero X Pro. It really performed well. With this new Dimensity 900, they have taken 2 to 3 steps forward in terms of speed and performance. So your games and some other tasks you throw at this device won't do anything to it. It comes with 8GB RAM, 128GB of internal storage. The 8GB RAM here is okay and can deliver good performance. You can also increase the RAM size with a feature Infinix called memory fusion, which cuts out some space or storage from your internal storage up to 3GB to add to your main physical RAM to give it 11GB. I still don't believe this helps with the performance. I just think it only helps to keep more apps open in the background so that whenever you come back to the app, you will still be able to pick up from where you left off. It is also coupled with a Mali G68MC4 as the GPU. I ran a Geekbench score on this device, which was quite okay, and each single core score is 694 and the multi-core score is 2156. On the software part, the Infinix Zero 5G was released with XOS 10 based on Android 11. I was surprised to see Android 11 on this device during the time of release, but in the camera department, it packs a 48MP main sensor, a 13MP telephoto sensor that can only do 2x optical zoom, and an extra 2MP that serves as a depth sensor. The pictures I took on this device were quite okay, not until I switched to the portrait mode and took a picture that looked as if it was a painted artwork and over smoothing the face and the skin. It does well with edge detection in the portrait pictures. The 13MP sensor is a 5mm lens with which you can activate on the screen to have this close range portrait shot. It shoots video up to 4K at 30fps without image stabilization. You can only get image stabilization only at 1080p as 30fps and slow motion at 960fps, which has a crappy quality. So know that when shooting in 4K, you might be needing a tripod to get a stable shot. While on the selfie part, it has 60MP camera, which is good for selfie pictures. Shout out to Xclub, which is a platform where creators express their creative skills and abilities in form of videos, be it 60 seconds or more than 60 seconds in vertical form or horizontal form. And even bloggers who make content in form of writing can also win prizes while making content on this platform. Just go on to Google Play Store, search and type in Xclub, download, register, start making content. I will leave a link in the description below where you can download it. You can also use the desktop version through the link in the description as well. Thank you. Now back to Zero 5G. Up front is a 6.8 inches Full HD Plus IPS LCD panel that refresh rate at 120Hz and is capped at 500 nits of peak brightness with 388 ppi. This is a 1080p resolution display, and consuming content on this display looks crispy and the colors are accurate even when it is an LCD display, not OLED. This is a huge device for two hands usage, but still lightweight, coupled with the big battery that is on this device. Outdoors, the device was very visible under direct sunlight, and as well indoors also gets too bright, and I advise using dark mode. It features a fingerprint reader on the side under the power button. The Infinix Zero 5G has a big battery of 5000 mAh battery that lasts well enough on a single charge. Most times I ended up the day with something between 20 to 30%. Out of the box, it comes with a 33 watts charger that gets you above 50% in less than 30 minutes. The Infinix Zero 5G was able to check some of the boxes for me. Things like good performance, great battery life, good cameras, earphone jack, USB Type-C ports, 120Hz refresh rate and 5G support. But I think there are some flaws to this device in some aspects compared to its competitors at this price range of about $300, with things like LCD display instead of OLED, Gcam not supported, no stereo speaker on this device, no IP waterproof rated or even splash resistance, and most especially the price seems to be slightly overpriced compared to other competitors. There are just a few but would have made a difference if it was seen on a device priced this much. If you are thinking of getting one of these devices, it will serve you a lot and still perform well by giving you good pictures, great battery life, and that smooth colorful display. Hopefully Android 12 will be coming soon, and it is something worth buying for a long time at least. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, kindly smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the post notification icon to always get notified whenever I drop a new video like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.